Hey everyone! Welcome to this video where I will show you the final step on the OG Verify site. In this example, I am installing an auto clicker app, but it works the same for anything else. The only thing you need to do is to complete 2 or 3 offers from the site. Most of the time, 2 offers are enough, but sometimes you may need to do 3, like I will do this time. As you can see, there are many offers available, which are apps from the App Store or the Play Store, depending on your device. This works identically for both iOS and Android devices, but the offers may vary depending on your system, country, and time. So, let me start with the first offer, which is Travel Town. You can see that it asks me to complete level 9 in the game, which shouldn't take too long. It redirects me to the App Store so everything is safe and secure. I will start the downloading process and come back to the Verify website. Now let me choose the second offer, which is iHeartRadio. This offer asks me to download this app, register, and press play, which I will do. It also redirects me to the App Store, so I will download it and then go back to the site and select the third offer, which is Evertail. This one is the easiest one, because it only asks me to download this app and run it for 30 seconds. So guys, these are the offers I picked, but you can do any other offers you want. Just make sure that you read the instructions carefully, and remember that you can't complete an offer from an app that you already have on your device. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long, so I will pause it here and come back to you when I am done with everything. Okay, I am back. It took me about 15 minutes, which I think is not too long and totally worth it. Once you are done, just go back to the site and you should get a pop-up like this one. It asks me to download a configuration profile, which is actually the app that we want to get. If you are on an Android device, you will just get the direct download of the app. Since on iPhone you can't install apps that are not from the App Store, we need to install a profile. Just click Allow, then go to the settings, and you should see the profile downloaded at the top. Or you can also go to General, then VPN and Device Management, and there click on the downloaded profile and confirm the installation. As you can see, it worked perfectly for me. I have the Auto Clicker app on my home screen and I can run it like any other app. So guys, I hope this video was helpful and that you got the app you wanted. If you have any questions about this process, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.